Welcome to Wise and Wealthcraft. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investing to explore the S&P 500, one of the most iconic indices in the financial realm. You might have heard about it in financial news, but what exactly is the S&P 500? And more importantly, should you consider investing in it? In this video, we'll unlock the mysteries of the S&P 500, break down its key features, analyze its historical performance, and ultimately help you answer the question: is investing in the S&P 500 the right choice for you? We've got a lot to cover, from the basics to the pros and cons, so stay tuned, because by the end of this journey, you'll have a clear understanding of whether the S&P 500 should be a part of your investment strategy. If you're ready to embark on this financial adventure, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. To understand whether you should invest in the S&P 500, it's crucial to know what it is. So let's begin with the basics. The S&P 500, or Standard & Poor's 500, is not just any index. It's a benchmark that represents the performance of 500 of the largest and most influential companies in the United States. These companies span various sectors, from technology and healthcare to finance and consumer goods. The S&P 500 is meticulously crafted to provide a broad snapshot of the US stock market. But how is it calculated? Well, it's a market cap-weighted index, which means that larger companies have a more significant impact on its value. This reflects the economic influence of these giants on the overall market. The S&P 500 isn't static. It evolves over time to include new, innovative companies, while phasing out others that no longer meet the criteria. It's a dynamic gauge of the US economy's health. The S&P 500 has a rich history dating back to its creation in 1957. Since then, it has become a symbol of American economic strength and resilience. So, when we talk about the S&P 500, we're not just discussing an index. We're diving into the heart of the US stock market, a reflection of its growth, innovation, and economic prowess. So, why does the S&P 500 hold such a prominent place in the world of finance? Well, it's all about its key features. First, it offers unparalleled diversification. With 500 of the largest US companies across various sectors, the S&P 500 provides investors with a broad exposure to the American economy. Second, it's a benchmark for performance. Investors, analysts, and institutions use the S&P 500 as a yardstick to gauge how well their investments are doing compared to the broader market. Third, it's transparent. The S&P 500's constituents and methodology are well documented and readily available. This transparency adds a layer of trust for investors. And fourth, it offers stability. While individual stocks can be volatile, the S&P 500's diversified nature tends to smooth out the bumps, making it a more stable long-term investment. The S&P 500's historical performance speaks for itself. Over the years, it has demonstrated consistent growth, and it's not just about numbers, it reflects the resilience of the US economy. When you think of the S&P 500, remember it's a powerhouse of diversification, a benchmark for performance, a beacon of transparency, and a symbol of stability and growth. So what makes the S&P 500 an attractive option for investors? First, diversification. When you invest in the S&P 500, you're instantly spreading your risk across 500 of the largest US companies and various sectors. Second, historical growth. Over the years, the S&P 500 has consistently delivered impressive returns, making it a reliable choice for long-term investors. Third, stability. While individual stocks can be volatile, the S&P 500's diversification tends to smooth out those ups and downs, providing a more stable investment. In essence, when you invest in the S&P 500, you're tapping into diversification, historical growth, and stability, all key factors that can bolster your investment portfolio. But as with any investment, there are considerations to keep in mind. While the S&P 500 offers many benefits, it's essential to be aware of the potential downsides. First and foremost, there's market volatility. Like all investments, the S&P 500 can experience periods of ups and downs. Second, diversification. While the index is diversified, it's still heavily influenced by a handful of large companies, which can pose concentration risk. Third, external factors. Events like economic downturns or geopolitical crises can impact the S&P 500's performance. However, it's important to remember that managing these risks is possible through diversification, risk management strategies, and a long-term perspective. Every investor is unique, and the S&P 500 may or may not align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, while the S&P 500 offers numerous advantages, it's crucial to consider these potential risks and how they fit into your overall investment strategy. Should you invest in the S&P 500? The answer isn't one size fits all. It depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. If your aim is long-term wealth building and you're comfortable with some market volatility, the S&P 500 may align well with your goals. Consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the potential ups and downs of the market? Or do you prefer more stable, conservative investments? Think about your existing portfolio. How does the S&P 500 fit into your overall diversification strategy? Ultimately, whether you should invest in the S&P 500 depends on your unique financial situation and objectives. So, if you're looking for diversification, historical growth, dividends, and stability, the S&P 500 has a lot to offer. We recommend consulting with a financial advisor or doing thorough research to make an informed decision that aligns with your financial journey. In the world of investing, there are no guarantees, but with careful consideration and a well-thought-out strategy, the S&P 500 can be a valuable part of your investment portfolio. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to make informed choices on your financial path. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding the S&P 500. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Remember, the decision to invest in the S&P 500, like any investment, should be made with careful consideration of your unique financial goals and circumstances. From all of us here at Wise and Wealthcraft, we wish you success and prosperity on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing!